Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tech Motoring. Today we're going to talk about charging cables. Charging cables that are potentially thrown around your garage with no easy way of organizing them, getting them off the floor, possibly just being stepped on all the time, especially if you have multiple EVs. And for those of you who have mobile connectors hanging from an outlet in your wall, I think it's about time we upgrade that to something a little bit neater. So stick with me and we're going to take a look at this product here. And I think this is going to be something you might want to look at. Stay tuned, subscribe, we'll be right back. All right, everybody, welcome back. So BASENOR has reached out to me once again with another really cool product. And since the Cybertruck release is coming up real soon, or possibly just started depending on when I release this video, you can now get your hands on a really cool cable organizer and holster for your garage to get ready for the release of the Cybertruck. So this is a really cool multiple piece product that they're selling. It is a holster here for your Tesla charging handle, and obviously it is also a cable wrap as well, so you can wrap the cable around this against the wall. Really nice product, looks really good. I think it's about the right scale for a Cybertruck, but we're gonna go ahead and get this installed today. Now, for those of you who have been with the channel for a while, you'll notice that I already have a pretty decent organized setup here. Now, this is just a 120 volt solution that I installed a little while back. This is not my primary charging solution for my garage, but it is a secondary in the event that I need to charge two cars at once. I have my 240 volt charger that I use to charge the cars quickly, and this, if for some reason I need to charge two cars overnight, let's say, this is a great solution to have in the just in case event that you need to charge two cars at once. So just to kind of show you what we have behind me, we have our Tesla mobile connector here, and it's being held up by a 3D printed mobile connector holder, basically, or the charger holder. And then over here we have a cable wrap that I 3D printed as well, mounted to the wall, and it looks pretty good. But honestly, the function of it is not great, and I'm not terribly happy with it, but it is what it is, and we're gonna see if we could try to improve that today with this product here from BASENOR. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and show you the product. We're gonna get it installed. We're gonna see how it looks, see how it works, and see if this is something you're interested in. Because if you're interested in this product, you could click the link down in the description below. Right there, you could see a link, takes you right to this product where you could buy it for your garage and get ready for your Cybertruck when you need to plug it in, providing that the Cybertruck actually fits in your garage, which is a concern I'm gonna have with mine. But anyway, let's dive in and take a look at what we got. All right, so like I said, this is a multiple piece product that BASENOR sends me. So they do send you a little hardware kit with all the necessary wall anchors and screws to mount this product to the wall. And then we also get the little charging cradle for the actual charging unit that sits in this cradle against the wall. So this way your charger is not just hanging from an outlet and putting stress on the outlet and those connections. So this is a nice little addition to that where it will actually hold the charging box here, and that will hold that against the wall and keep some slack on it as well, so this way there's no stress. So I like that idea. They also send you these two pieces of the Cybertruck. So this is the part that mounts to the wall. As you can see, there's a bit of a cutout back here for your cable wrap. So this gets mounted to your wall with 4 screws, as you can see here. And then once you get this mounted to the wall, you just take the Cybertruck part of it and you basically just snap these together on the wall. So it snaps together, and then you have a Cybertruck looking cable organizer for your wall. Really, really neat. Look at those angles. Really looking forward to getting my Cybertruck. Probably won't be for a couple of years, but cool, huh? All right. Anyway, we got to break this one down, take the EVSC off the wall here, and then we're going to dive in and take a look at what needs to be done to get, well, this installed in place of this. All right, so as you can see, we got the charger holster mounted to the wall already. I had to bring it down just a hair from the last one, so I had to adjust a little bit, but as you can see, we now have that there. This lines up pretty well with the socket. Everything looks good. It's gonna hold that nice and tight to the wall. give this some slack so this way it's not pulling down on this outlet or potentially pulling this away from the charger itself. So that looks good. Happy with that. Now we just got to determine where we want to have the actual charging cable organizer side, and then we'll have this done in no time. So let's go ahead and do that next. All right, here we go. So we got the wall mount side done on the wall. Now we just got to snap on the Cybertruck side. See how this looks. Just line it up real good. All right, there we go. Looks pretty cool. Let's get some close-ups of it and take a look. All right, as you can see, we got the Cybertruck mounted to the wall. This looks really, really cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the cable wrapped up around it, see how it looks, and yeah, we'll see if this is something you want in your garage. Let's go ahead and get the cable wrapped up. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this put onto our new Cybertruck cable wrap organizer. Got the holster holding onto the Tesla EVSE mobile connector there. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this cable up around our Cybertruck here. And now for the moment. Awesome. All right, so here we go. We have our new Cybertruck inspired, styled EVSE mobile connector, cable wrap, holster, and of course the cradle for the actual EVSE charger itself. So this looks really, really cool. Mounted up against the wall. Looks really organized. I like it. And if you're wondering what this orange thing is down here, this is actually just a holster for a Tesla to J1772 adapter in the event that I ever need to charge up a J1772 vehicle with this device here. I just go ahead and hold that product there for storage just in case I ever need access to it. It's a nice, easy way to have this mounted right next to my charging equipment. But this looks really, really cool. I'm really happy with this. The cable wrap looks good. There's plenty of space up here, so it's not like the cable wrap could just come over the edge of the Cybertruck nose here. I think it looks great. Obviously, it tidies everything up, makes it look a little cooler, and of course, it gets you ready for your Cybertruck. When you're gonna pick yours up, you'll have your holster and cable wrap already ready. Now, the other thing is, just make sure you're not charging it over 120 volts because that'll probably take a while. All right, everybody, well, there you go. There is the BASENOR Cybertruck inspired and styled Tesla mobile connector, cable organizer, holster, and cradle for your Tesla mobile connector for your garage. This product looks really cool. I really like it in the garage. Of course, this holster works really well. It's locked into the holster pretty well. If you want to unholster the handle, all you do is you lift up a little bit, pull it out. The handle is now ready for you. When you're done, put it over there, slides back in, and it locks to the small lock inside. And that's all you need. It works perfectly, looks good. Really happy with this product. And if you are interested in getting ready for your Cybertruck when it comes, make sure you check down in the description below this video and you can take a look at this product for yourself, for your garage, and see if it's something that you're interested in. Anyway, I'd like to thank you very much for watching this episode today. And of course, if you're interested in more of these products, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next episode. And remember, welcome to the future, and welcome to Tech Motoring. And we'll see you very soon. Like it. Like it a lot.